Welcome to the physics class. In this lecture, we are going to study relative motion. So, the word relative is a very general term. Relative motion can be applied to physical, non-physical and vector quantities. For example, my height is 162 centimeters and my son's height is 157 centimeters. So, what is my height relative to my son's height? That would be 162 minus 157 equals to 5 centimeters. So what we did there is we subtracted my son's height with my height. So that becomes 5 centimeters. Now relative velocity of A with respect to B can be written as VAB equals VA minus VB. So it is the first one minus the second one, VA minus VB vector. Similarly, relative acceleration of A with respect to B is A vector equals to AAB vector, relative vector equals to AA vector minus AB vector. For one-dimensional motion, we can treat the vectors as scalars just by assigning the positive sign to one direction and negative to other. So in case of one-dimensional motion, the above equations can be written as VAB equals to this, VA minus VB vector, and AAB equals to AA minus AB vector. Further, we see that VAB equals to minus of VBA, so it becomes minus of the inverse, or AAB equals to minus of ABA equals to minus of AB. Now let us do an example. Anup is moving due east with velocity 1 meter per second and Dhyani is moving due west with velocity 2 meter per second. What is the velocity of Anup with respect to Dhyani? So in this example is a one-dimensional motion. So let us choose east direction as positive and west as negative. So east is positive and west is negative, like as shown here. So let VA equals to 1 meter per second and VD equals to velocity of Dhyani equals to minus 2 meter per second. So the relative velocity of Anup with respect to Dhyani would be VA minus VD. So 1 minus of 2, which is 3 meter per second, and 3 meter per second is positive. This is positive. So positive direction we have taken east. So it is in east direction. So the answer is 3 meter per second in east direction. So that was all for today, guys. So if you have learned from anything good from this video, please do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.